Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Monday morning forecast update. Shaping up to be yet another interesting weather week for us. We've got a cold, rainy day in the forecast today, but kind of looking ahead during the week here, we've got a stronger cold front that's on the way late Thursday into early Friday. Not only monitoring the potential to see just a little bit of winter weather with that, but this will be the front that sets us up with some very cold days Friday and through Christmas weekend. Friday will probably be the coldest of the bunch here. We're talking Friday that highs will be in the 20s, and the wind chill, since it will be a very windy day on Friday as well, the wind chill may not get above 10 degrees in most locations on Friday, so just kind of a sampling of what's to come. By comparison, that 40-degree day won't feel too bad today, but it is going to be cold out there. We won't see any sunshine today, and a little bit of a breeze kind of blowing some of that rain around, so make sure that you have a jacket as you go out there today, and if you're doing any Christmas shopping or just running some errands outside, take the umbrella today as well. Not only some rain, but for a lot of locations today, it is going to be a steady rain that plays out for much of the morning as well as the afternoon. So we've got this area of low pressure that's kind of dropping down across the panhandle of Texas, and another low that's down here again on the South Texas coastline, and both of these are kind of churning that Pacific moisture towards the Arklatex today, and because of that we will see quite a bit of rain develop here, and that will keep our temperatures obviously on the cool side. I think most of us at sunrise right around 40 degrees, and given the rain all day and very much a lack of sun today, will only rise a few degrees here, so your high temperatures today likely in the low to mid 40s for most locations. So look at your Robins Toyota Futurecast. Interesting to note that it does show just a little bit of winter weather this morning. Given that temperatures are in the low 40s, it's not out of the question that we could see maybe some sleet develop at times here. Not likely to see much, if any, accumulation with that, but if you hear those little pings on your windshield when you're driving around this morning, likely just a few sleet pellets kind of mixing in with the cold rain today. We get to about noon, and you can see between I-20 and I-30 we'll have a very sharp gradient of where it's kind of raining all day and where we don't see much rain, and I suspect that boundary where we see a lot of rain and not much rain will be right along I-30. So I do think you'll be in and out of the rain all day in Texarkana. Shreveport likely raining through the entire afternoon today. May see a few lulls here and there, but again likely going to see these showers and storms persist, and we could hear a few rumbles of thunder here south of I-20, but given the cold temperatures, no threat of any kind of severe weather today. But if we do manage to get a few thunderstorms going, again, it's probably not out of the question that we could see some small hail, but I think the likelihood of that is fairly low for us today. And we'll likely see just a little bit of this rain linger into Tuesday morning, but for the most part we will be dry Tuesday as well as Wednesday. So all the rain that you see will be basically what comes in today as well as tonight. So we're advertising about an inch of rain along I-20 and down here across Toledo Bend. Very well could be a few locations that do pick up a good 2 to 3 inches with lighter totals for the northern Arklatex. And again, stays relatively quiet Tuesday, Wednesday, and most of the day Thursday. But late Thursday we get that Arctic cold front to come in, and there's those high temperatures dropping into the 20s on Friday, staying chilly through Christmas. Christmas Day will likely be partly cloudy with highs in the low 40s.